Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive an automatic XPander. First, ensure your seat is comfortable and you can easily reach all pedals and controls. Adjust your side and rearview mirrors to eliminate blind spots. Always fasten your seatbelt securely before starting the engine. This foundational preparation is crucial for a safe and enjoyable driving experience, setting you up for success on the road. To begin, place your right foot firmly on the brake pedal. Insert the key and turn it, or press the start button to ignite the engine. With your foot still on the brake, move the gear selector from P for park to D for drive. Now, release the parking brake, which is typically a hand lever or a button, and you are ready to gently accelerate. As you drive, gently press the accelerator pedal to increase speed. The automatic transmission will seamlessly shift through gears, typically 4 or 5 forward speeds, without any input from you. For steep inclines or descents, you might select L for low or S for sport mode, if available, to maintain better control and engine braking. Remember to always maintain a safe following distance. When you're ready to park, bring the XPander to a complete stop using the brake pedal. Once stationary, shift the gear selector into P for park. This locks the transmission and prevents the vehicle from rolling. Finally, engage the parking brake, even on flat ground, as an extra safety measure before turning off the engine and exiting the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.